एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल एंड आज की वीडियो में हम आगे काम करने वाले हैं अपने नेटवर्किंग हैक्स पे जो कि हम डेटा एनालिस्ट के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होता है। ठीक है, आगे हम पूरा देखेंगे कि हमें नेटवर्किंग क्यों ज़रूरी है, कैसे कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या गाइडलाइंस हैं, क्या हमारे पर डे पर वीक जो हमारी चीज़ें हैं हमको फॉलो करनी चाहिए ताकि हम एक अच्छे नेटवर्किंग में आ सके। ठीक है, तो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। एंड जो टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट होने वाला है वो ऐसे होने वाला है कि वाई नेटवर्किंग मैटर्स। ठीक है, उसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि वाई टॉप 5 नेटवर्किंग हैक्स आर देयर, देन वी हैव मिस्टेक्स टू अवॉइड एंड देन एक्शन प्लान व्हिच इज बेस्ड ऑन द वीकली और मंथली और ईयरली बेसिस। ठीक है, सबसे पहले कि वाई नेटवर्किंग मैटर्स, तो सब द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज हिडन जॉब मैटर्स बिकॉज देयर इज अ ह्यूज मार्केट दैट इज नॉट बीइंग पोस्टेड, क्योंकि वो सारी चीज़ें जो है वो रेफरल्स पे चल रही हैं बिकॉज देयर आर पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी एम्प्लॉयड इन दैट कंपनी एंड वो उनसे रिलेटेड लोगों को ज़्यादा जल्दी बुलाने की कोशिश करते हैं बिकॉज दे आर रिस्क इज मिनिमाइज। ठीक है, वहाँ पे जो रिस्क होता है वो कम कर दिया जाता है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज रेफरल्स, रिक्रूटर्स फेवरेट शॉर्टकट। दैट इज अगर हमें किसी पर्सन की रेफरेंस आती है तो देयर इज एन गाइडेंस। ठीक है, जो हमारे ट्रस्टवर्दी होगा, ठीक है, एक ट्रस्टी है उस इंसान के साथ, ऑल्सो हमारे पास सारी डिटेल है उस बंदे की, सो इट बिकम्स ईजी, इट्स एन शॉर्टकट फॉर द रिक्रूटर्स। दैट्स वाई रेफरल वर्क्स far better. And the third one is networking is about relationships, not begging. So नेटवर्किंग इज व्हेन यू कनेक्ट टू द लाइक माइंडेड पीपल। ठीक है, ये चीज़ें हमने लास्ट वीडियो में कवर करी थी कि नेटवर्किंग क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड नेटवर्किंग इज लाइक व्हेन यू वांट टू बी समवन एंड यू टेक समवन एज योर गाइड। ठीक है, सो दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट वे टू लर्न बाय एक्सपीरियंसेस, बाय पोस्ट। ठीक है, इट डजंट मैटर, बट इफ यू वांट टू बी समथिंग देन जस्ट फॉलो इट। दैट इज द मोर ब्यूटिफुल वे यू कैन conclude networking. ठीक है, networking is not like you are begging, you are asking someone's attention, you're not going somewhere to have that attention. ठीक है, not like as an attention seeker. So networking is like when you connect, when you share, when you learn. ठीक है, अगर आप किसी और के पास कोई नई स्किल है, you just ask them that hi, my name is this, I want to connect, I want to learn about your skills. ठीक है, that is the power of networking. Now, what are the top 5 hacks which we can do? Okay, first one is optimize your LinkedIn profile. As you all know, LinkedIn is the mastermind for the professionals. It is a platform जहाँ पे every professional is available, from the CEO of Google, ठीक है, to each and every individual you can find up there. They post daily, ठीक है, on a regular basis. They engage. They are the top voices. So there's a lot to learn on LinkedIn. So always optimize your LinkedIn profile. That is having a good picture, having a good bio, having a good experience, having a good education listed, having a good skills listed, having about section, regular postings. These are the things you can optimize your LinkedIn profile. ठीक है, next one is post consistently. Now consistently doesn't mean you have to post on daily basis. It is like on a regular interval, like आप 2 दिन में एक बार कर दो, आप 1 वीक में एक बार कर दो, that is should be consistent. ठीक है, now the best way is posting 2 times in a week. ठीक है, that is more on projects, it can be on learnings or on sites. Next one is smart outreach. That is asking the people you admire for, not for jobs, but for skills, for the experience they have, for the knowledge you can acquire. Next one is joining events, hackathons, and meetups. Okay, that has already been covered in last video. And in last one is giving before you ask. That is the person you want to talk to or you want to connect with, you can comment, share, and support them. Okay, and connect as a like-minded, thoughtful way. ताकि they can understand कि हाँ you have that understanding of, ठीक है, area. Next one is mistakes to avoid. First one is copy paste spam messages. That is very regular. जब से ChatGPT and AI available है, people just go copy and then paste in the text notes. ठीक है, that is very bad. You should write 3 words yourself. You don't need to write a complete paragraph, but those 3 words should be yours. Next one is connecting without a note. When you go on LinkedIn, you send a connection request, and at the time of connection request, you just give follow and you go back on your homepage. But it's not like that. You should write a note. Okay? Now, I'll try to show you how you can do that. Okay? So, let me open my LinkedIn feed, and suppose I want to follow um, Alak Pandey sir. Okay? Let's go for it. Now, if I click on follow, then I'll just follow, and as it is on public ID, उनको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. Now you have to go on more, then you have to click on connect. Now you have an option to add a free note or send without a note. So always try to add a free note. Okay? Write something here. Hello sir, I admire you. Hi sir, I like your work on this. I would like to learn about it. Okay? So always try learning things. That is more important. Okay? That is posting no posts. Okay? Not being regular on LinkedIn, not showing up, like not doing comments, and being an invisible in the sense you are not available in any of the sections, not posting, not commenting, not sharing, not writing thoughts, articles, anything. Okay? Not optimizing your profile. That is being invisible. Next one is only reaching out when you need help. That is being selfish in minimal terms. Okay? So always try to be helpful, try to give more than you seek. Okay? That is more important. Last one we have is action plan that you can follow. So this week what you can do is you can update your LinkedIn profile. Whoever you are, doesn't matter. If you're in first year college students, just write down you're completed 12th and you are interested in these things. Okay? And you want to be a doctor, for example. Okay? So you should follow the doctors who are already good in your field. Okay? If you're a data analyst, follow the people who are good at different skill sets. For example, if someone is far better at SQL, follow him or her. If someone is good at Power BI, if someone is doing great in some MNC, so just follow like that. Okay? And make a post. That is more important. Next, this month, okay, you can do is join a hackathon or meetup and message 5 professionals, because LinkedIn has a limitation. So you can try focusing on those 5 people which you wanna follow very regularly. Okay? And the last one we have is in this year you will just bring 2 or 3 strong mentor relationships. Mentor relationship means someone who can guide you is your mentor. Okay? Someone who can teach you that this is wrong, this is right, this is the way you should follow, these are the advantages, these are disadvantages. So this all comes under the mentorship process. So always bring or build 2 or 3 strong mentors this year. Okay? That's all from my side. Okay? I hope you understood why this is very important, what are the steps you should avoid, what are the steps you should take, what are the action plan you can follow for a better growth. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. And आपको जो भी कमेंट्स हैं आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख दो. I'll just reply to them as soon as possible. ठीक है? Thank you so much.